Hi everybody, it's Kathy from Huckleberry Herbs and Art. Thanks for stopping by to check out the video. On this channel I do gardening videos, paper craft videos, and a lot of Heartfelt Creations products. And I'm going to have another video hopefully by the end of the weekend with some new Graphic 45 stuff that I have in. But this is the close-up for Heartfelt Creations CandelLit Christmas collection. And if you hang in there till the end of the video after we see these, I'm going to show you some bargains on similar items from Heartfelt that are going to be up in my store, HuckleberryHerbs.com. If you would like to get Heartfelt Creations, I will not have this grouping, and I'll explain why after we take a look at it, because it is beautiful and I'm very glad to have it, and I will probably get some sooner or later. But they have this beautiful candle with the poinsettias, and this is done in a lot of blues, greens, reds, really strong colors with those gorgeous pine trees and these lovely snow backgrounds. And there's the deer that Heartfelt puts out on some of their products. Lovely borders to go along with it, perfect for putting borders on your layouts or to use as strips on your cards. Here's the blue side with script running through and that pretty candle in the corner. Again, great for a layout. Lots of holly and baubles. And there you go, you can see the script done in white. Very nice things said on that. There's the corner. Here are some more of the different sized cards with the lovely ornaments, and the poinsettias are again highlighted here, and that's related to some of the bargains I'm going to talk about. If you like Heartfelt stuff, you need to stay till the end of the video to see what I have for you. Season's greetings, joy to the world, peace on earth, Christmas blessings, Merry Christmas. These are great to use as little tags or to put as your sentiment on your card, especially if you're trying to put something together quickly. A nice layout page with the holly and the ornaments coming down here. A whiter light green that slowly moves into the darker blue with the pretty snowflakes. These are great sized cards when you're looking for a lot of cards for Christmas. I put just this card front on some simple stock and send out lots of my Christmas cards with Heartfelt stuff. There's some more sentiments, so you can put those in your layouts, and even some joy to the worlds on the edge. A nice red, a very nice Christmas red with these beautiful corners of blues and reds and greens. Nice lacy intricate work on the corners as well and along the sides, framing that. Here's a tag page with the pretty little lights that they are highlighting in this collection. Some of the deer, the baubles, the lovely candle. Very nice, perfect for a Christmas in July theme, which a lot of people are doing. Some nice striped with lace in the middle in between the different colored poinsettias. And these are very nice too, whether you use them for the insides of your cards or you actually make smaller cards for all of your co-workers. You know, some of us have a lot of people that we want to just drop a little something off on their desk, and these are great. A lovely scene with the white and green trees down below, the dark navy blue sky, and the snowflakes. Very pretty. Here's a close-up of the lamp that they're highlighting and some of those lovely scenes, and the script with the snowflakes and the holly. They got a little bit of everything on that page. And here's a lovely one to put as backgrounds in your cards or to decorate a box, a gift box with. These are the cutouts that go with the dies that go with this collection. So all you have to do is put them in the die and chop them up. And yes, they do have a 3D shaping mold that fits these corners. Another version that has the candle inside the hanging light instead of the candle. So you get two of each of those. These nice little valance bow shaped ones. I like the way that this white lace outlines the edges of these 6x6 cards, and some larger tags. There's a die that's going to be a part of this collection that's shaped like that. Again, a nice red, some really pretty script and swirl lines, some more 6x6s of the larger pages that we've just seen, a nice green with script, some more 6x6s. Again, these ones make great backgrounds. I would definitely use that for a card. A nice navy blue with the snowflakes, just plain, so you could do anything you want with it. And then a final tag page, which is lovely to have your tag match your card and your box, your gift box. It's really nice to give a present like that. And there's lots more of the tickets with your sentiments all ready for those of you who are prepping for Christmas. The Christmas poinsettia holly and die stamp and die set go with this collection. There's the shapes, and of course they match the dies. Here's the glow of Christmas that has the hanging lamp and these nice Christmas balls and or ornaments, and this little bough of holly, and the glow of Christmas die set. Here's the CandelLit poinsettia with some sentiments and this pretty candle, 2 different sizes, and the dies that go with that. And here is their individual Starry Night decorative die, which you saw highlighted in some of the papers. Very nice and lacy. And then they have the 3D Christmas poinsettia shaping mold, which has the sizes that come with this collection and all those corners. Now, I'm probably not going to have these in the store, and I'll show you why. The Festive Holly collection from last year, I still have some in my store, and so I'm not going to fill up on more poinsettias when I have some poinsettias from Heartfelt there. They're different, but yet the same, because Heartfelt stuff all goes so well together. So what I have done is I usually sell bundles, which retail price are $59.98 for the die and the stamp. And I usually sell that for $55.99, or our usual price for a bundle is $53.98. This is a good bargain because I'm going to be putting bundles of these older ones for $48.99, and I only have, well, 2 of the poinsettia and holly clusters, and this is at HuckleberryHerbs.com if you want this, so now's the time because you're saving a lot of money on Heartfelt. I already sell it at a lesser price than retail, and then it's, you know, cheaper to buy the bundles, and then I'm putting the bundles on sale, so that's a good savings. The Festive Holly Holiday that has the pretty wheel and the cardinal. So if you've been looking at these, now's the time to get them. They're in the bundles in my stores, and you can check under the bundle category, or you can just actually watch this video and look at the name. And I'll leave the link to the close-ups for the Festive Holly collection. Here's the Holly Berry Jingle, which comes with this lovely little bell that you can stamp and die cut. A little bit of some fruit or vegetable, and these beautiful cardinals. So that's the stamp and die set, and I have 3 or 4 of those. And again, $48.99 for a stamp and die from Heartfelt is a good price. And I have 4 of the 3D poinsettia shaping molds. See, don't be confused. This is the new one. It's called 3D Christmas poinsettia, and this is the one from last year, 3D poinsettia. It has a different setup that matches. I think I have 1 pad of the paper left. And then I have 1 of these, Festive Holly and Cardinals, which is just beautiful. That's the lamp shape that they highlighted last year. So if you want any of the things for poinsettias and lights and shaping molds and cardinals that they had last year, you're going to be able to find a savings at my store, HuckleberryHerbs.com. These I would not be putting into the store unless I sold out on those. So stop by, show me some support, maybe make a small purchase, and I have some Graphic 45 stuff that I'm going to be putting into the store as well. Sorry I haven't had many videos up. I have had an extremely busy year. So far, 2019 is just knocking me on my rear end. I also have some garden videos I'm working on for people who want to see some garden stuff, and I hope you're all going to have a great rest of your day, and stop by HuckleberryHerbs.com and show me a little love and support. Give me a thumbs up if you like this, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see Heartfelt Creations close-ups every month, as well as close-ups of other things in my store, and tutorials and paper crafting and garden videos and stuff like that. Till next time, everybody, this is Kathy from Huckleberry Herbs and Art. God bless.